Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Royal Peacock, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our Big Shot. And we are using the Noble Peacock Suite, and we are just going to be using "So Very Proud of You" for the sentiment. I have the coordinating framelits, the detailed peacock, and I have the feather here. And then this is on the Noble Peacock foil sheet. And then I have some white shimmer paper with the stitched rectangles. So I'm just going to run that through quickly. I'll get that out of the way. And we're going to be doing our stamping on here. And then we have this beautiful peacock feather. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so I have the pretty peacock stamping pad. And then I have the sentiment mounted on clear block C. And I'm just going to put it right here in the left corner. All right, and I am going to come in with my glue pen, and I'm just going to glue the stem here. So let me get my silicone sheet. All right, so just like that, make sure that you put the pen back in your glue. And a little bit of this goes a long way. So just like that, we'll put that aside. And we will bring in our card base, which is Pretty Peacock, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And then I have the Noble Peacock Specialty Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And I have the reversible ribbon. And on one side it's Old Olive, and the other side it is Pretty Peacock. So we're going to use the opposite side here. Go ahead and trim that. And I'm just going to put it in the center. And I'm going to put it down with some old tape here. And next I have my snail adhesive. All right, so just like that. And we'll get our sentiment, and I'm going to pop that up Let's see. Yeah, I kind of like it like that. All right, and then I'm going to come in with the Noble Peacock rhinestones. And I'm going to use these that are the same color as our feather. All right, so a quick and simple card just to let someone know how proud of them you are. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!